The FOIFKIN F300 is making waves with its dual cabin design and focus on showcasing your components. The first thing you notice is the expansive 270 degrees panoramic tempered glass panel. It offers an almost unobstructed view of the PC's interior, turning your build into a display piece. The glass is also designed for sound dampening, which is a nice touch for those who value a quiet gaming or work environment. The tool-free disassembly is a welcome feature. The hinged design of the glass side panel makes accessing the components quick and easy, which simplifies upgrades and maintenance. Cooling is clearly a priority for the F300. It comes pre-installed with 3 PWM fans, which should provide decent airflow out of the box. For those planning a high-performance build, the case can accommodate up to 10 120mm fans, strategically placed on the sides, top, and even at the PSU shroud. This flexibility ensures that cooling performance doesn't have to be sacrificed for aesthetics. The case follows a fairly standard ATX mid-tower form factor, so compatibility shouldn't be an issue for most builders. The bottom-mounted PSU shroud helps to keep things tidy and improve airflow. The inclusion of a Type-C port on the front panel is a modern touch, offering convenient connectivity for newer devices. The FOIFKIN F300 seems to strike a good balance between aesthetics, functionality, and cooling potential. The panoramic glass, tool-free design, and ample fan mounting options make it a strong contender in the mid-tower case market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.